Hi friends, welcome to my channel. My name is Maya. I'm holistic esthetician from sunny San Diego, and today I would like to share with you an amazing recipe that comes from my Ukrainian friend. It's a recipe of great mask. It's kind of like a peel and a mask at the same time, where I'm going to use kiwi and coffee. And it's very simple recipe, but I promise that your skin will be glowing once you start using it from time to time. So let's take one kiwi, cut it in the middle, and then we will take 1/2 of the kiwi into the little dish. Just smash it a little bit with a spoon. And now our next step will be a coffee. So I have here ground coffee, it's organic, and we need 1 spoon, just like that. And we will add it to our kiwi and we'll mix it.
Beyond being a source of energy, coffee is an ultimate ingredient that can wake up and re-energize your skin.
This mask is like your SOS help. If you don't have any skincare at home and you have date or you have photo shoot, you have an event and you want your skin will be super glowing, I would highly recommend to use it. So after we mix kiwi with coffee, that's what you will get. And now we need to apply it to our skin. So follow me to my bathroom. I am ready. Look at my ears. Okay, so let's apply our Kiwi Coffee Scrub mask into the face. So first of all, for those who have sensitive skin, I would recommend you to do a little patch test. And patch test, it's when you take a little bit of product and you put it to one small area on your face. You can do it on forehead, you can do it on your cheek, and just wait around 5 minutes and then remove. If you have redness, please do not apply it on your face and your skin is allergic or sensitive to one of ingredients that this mask contains. If your skin becomes very slightly pink, but after 5-10 minutes this pink color went away, then go ahead and apply it. Pink color just indicates that your skin got more blood circulation, and actually this mask does something for your skin, so it's very safe if it's just a little bit. But if it's a lot or it's tingling, you feel some burning sensation, then I would say this mask is not for you. But I recommend this mask to so many of my clients, and 99.9% of them always have a great result. So I like to apply this mask with my hands. My face is clean, I just use cleanser and toner to clean my skin, and then that's how I apply it. And that's how I start to clean it.
Coffee got you back there too by boosting blood circulation. It revitalizes your skin, making it look more alive and radiant.
I know it's messy, what to do? That's what we do for beauty, right? So when you apply it, very gentle motions all over your face. Don't forget under the chin, don't forget your neck. This is still extension of your face.
Treated with antioxidants, it shields your skin from free radicals, keeping wrinkles and sagging away.
I would recommend you to put some t-shirt that even if you get a drop of that, you will be like, oh, it's okay, it's my home t-shirt. Also, remember, you can also exfoliate around the eyes with this mask, not too close to the eyes. And if your skin is very sensitive around the eyes, do not do it. But my skin has pretty good tolerance, so I will exfoliate everywhere, also my neck and my chest. All products that I apply on my face, I always extend it on my neck and my décolleté. It's also face and it's also visible, so do it too. And now it's time to wash my face, and I will show you how my skin will look.
Its rejuvenating properties reduce puffiness and those peaky dark circles, leaving your skin looking bright and rejuvenated. And there you have it all! Incredible benefits of kiwi and coffee for your skin.
It's like silk, and it's I can see glow, and it's really smooth, and I also can see that it's tighter and it's brighter. And now that when you apply kiwi and coffee and you exfoliate all that cells and you kind of like empty out your pores. A lot of oxygen going inside, and oxygen speeds blood circulation and overall make your skin younger. What I like to apply after that on my skin, it's two things. If I have time and I'm not going right away somewhere, I will make a mask from a little banana and little avocado mixed together. I will show it to you in the next recipe. Or if I'm in a rush and I need to go right away, I use plant-driven hyaluronic acid from Kiwi Spa. It has very pure formula, medical grade of molecule, it's vegan, all natural, and overall it's just really great product to keep hydration, to keep moist in your skin, and actually help to penetrate all these ingredients deeper. So you'll apply a little bit of that because I have to go. But thank you so much for watching my channel. I will be back soon. Please subscribe.